Hi! In front of me is Lenovo IdeaPad Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in dev check. Now you need to get this free app from Flarto developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when your app is ready, open it. As you can see, from this app you can learn all about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!